Hey there, folks. How you doing? It's me again, back with another super awesome Samsung music video. So in my last video, I showed you how to download any YouTube song as an MP3 to your phone and use Atoma Tag to label your songs and put them into Samsung Music. So now I'm going to show you how to use Samsung Music because you might not be familiar with it. So really, the main page is obviously your track page. You can organize by the name. You can organize the date added, which is going to be your recently downloaded one, and then the artist. I usually just keep it on date added or name. And then hit the shuffle button over here, and it just starts playing a random song on your phone. Then there's the album tab, which has all the albums on it. And then a Atoma Tag labels the albums, and then Samsung Music sorts them by the albums. So I got quite a few. And again, you can sort by the release date, which is the newest one, to the oldest. Got a lot of albums here. And you can also search by the artist name. And then you can go over to artists. Again, search by name or date added. I don't really play with the album or artist tabs too much. I spend most of the time in tracks and just put it on shuffle. Or sometimes I go to genre and click on a genre. And Atoma Tag also labels the genre and sorts everything into the different genres, which is really nice. So if I feel like listening to rock one day, I just click on the rock and then hit shuffle there, or I can hit, whatever I want, hip-hop, rap. I listen to a lot of different kinds of music because I'm kind of weird. Alternative, shuffle. And then within alternative, you can sort there. When listening to a song, you can hit add to add it to any of your playlists, or you can create a playlist. You can hit the heart button here, and that'll add it to your favorite tracks. This shows you your upcoming queue. So I have 1,015 songs on my phone, which is a lot. It's kind of ridiculous. It shows you the songs coming up next. Mine's on shuffle. So this button down here in the bottom right corner, this tells it what to do after the song's done playing. So right now it's on go to the next song. This is on repeat infinitely, which I don't know why you'd really do that. And this is repeat once. I just keep it on this one right here. So you can share, go to the album, go to the artist, delete, set as your ringtone or notification noise. You can go to your details and see all the details of the track, and you can hit the pencil button to edit it if something's not right. And you can also look it up on the internet from here. You can change the sound with that button. You can click this soundbar button and mess with the sound. So you can up the bass and the treble, instrument, and vocal. I like a little more bass in mine. I don't mess around with this too much. I leave Dolby Atmos on. I have no problem with sound quality for most of my songs. Search by the music you want to listen to. You can search whatever you want. So I can search Boston, and then any song that has Boston in the album name or artist. Like these three songs are by Boston. This one is I'm Shipping Up to Boston. I can click on one of these and it'll shuffle between all four of the tracks. Then the next tab we got over here is playlist track. Got some pre-made playlists up here, and then my playlist. And I showed you how to add a song to a playlist before. And then you got your favorite tracks. And that, again, you just click the heart button right here to add it to your favorites. And that is the basic gist of Samsung Music. I really like it. It works offline. I listen to this while I'm mowing lawn or at work or driving a lot because I don't have to pay for it. It's completely free. I love that it has the album covers, the details, everything is there. I'm not missing anything, and I really just love Samsung Music. So yeah, this is basically what there is to it. It's not a complicated app. I think it's pretty clean, and it works. If you turn off your phone and turn back on, you can control the songs from the lock screen in your settings. You can turn that on or off. And I can also control it from my Samsung smartwatch. I can skip songs and turn up the volume on there. So yeah, that's that. If you like this video, please leave a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because it would definitely mean a lot to me. And I'm not really, you can't really make videos on YouTube without asking people to hit the thumb button, the one that's pointed up, or the red button that has the subscribe word in it. But yeah, if you like this video, please do one of those things. Alright, see you next time, folks.